I've been testing the DeWalt cordless router for just over a week now and have made some interesting observations. Today, I wanted to give you 8 reasons why I think it's absolutely worth your money. Let's jump straight into it. Unboxing this router, you're first struck by the amount of attachments that come in the box. The router, along with the plunge base, fixed base, wrench, collet, spanner, centering cone, guide bush, dust extraction attachments, and parallel fences are neatly tucked into this case. Every component feels solid and durable, and the really nice thing is you can actually see everything that's in the box. Weighing in at 2.3 kilograms without a battery, this cordless router is compact and lightweight, making it very portable and easy to handle. The rubber overmold grips further enhance the comfort, and the dual LED lights are a thoughtful addition to improve visibility during operation. Transitioning from a plunge base to a fixed base is quick and seamless thanks to a smart design of the aluminium motor housing. Setting up this router is a very straightforward operation. The spindle lock ensures quick and easy accessory changing, while the plunge base incorporates a fine-tuned rod for precision depth adjustments. This router features a brushless motor that promises improved runtime, power, and durability. The variable speed control allows you to set the ideal cutter speed for different materials, ensuring a smooth and clean cut every time. The router also includes a soft start feature which minimizes sudden movement during startup. This thing certainly doesn't shy away from power. The brushless motor runs between 16,000 and 27,000 RPM, providing ample power for a wide array of tasks, be it hinge mortises, round over edges, or flush trimming hardwood edging. The smooth operation and exceptional cutting performance truly stand out during use. As a bare tool, it doesn't come with a battery or a charger. However, being part of DeWalt's 18-volt XR series, it's compatible with a widely available set of the 18-volt batteries, which are known for their impressive runtime and quick charging capabilities. I've been using this 4-amp battery all day whilst filming this review, racking up about 2 hours of continuous usage, and there's still plenty of power remaining. Safety is paramount with DeWalt. This router features an electronic brake for added control and safety, ensuring the tool stops promptly when needed. The lock-on switch is another important safety feature that prevents accidental startups as well. This router comes with a higher price tag compared to some other models on the market, but given its robust features, solid construction, and the brand reputation, it certainly offers value for money. I also appreciate the sustainability claim here. The brushless electric motor runs more efficiently than brushed types, reducing energy usage and hopefully keeping those energy bills down. Over the past week of using this router, there isn't much I'd want to change, but if I had to be hypercritical, here are a couple of things. Firstly, it would be fantastic if DeWalt included some of the more common router bits in the box. While this hasn't been an issue for me, thanks to my collection of trend router bits, beginners might not anticipate this need and could be caught off guard. Secondly, the placement of the power button is a bit peculiar. We're accustomed to seeing the power button on the plunge attachment itself. However, this router's quick switch feature requires the button to be on the core of the body of the tool. These are minor points, but DeWalt, if you are listening, and I'm not sure you are, maybe something to consider in the future. The DeWalt router certainly makes a powerful argument for itself. It's a well-rounded tool that deserves a place in any professional or home woodworking shop. But remember, investing in the right tools for your specific needs is crucial. And speaking of investments, I've recently reviewed DeWalt's Thicknesser, another high-performing tool from DeWalt that can really help bring your woodworking projects to the next level. If you've enjoyed this video, I recommend checking out that review right here. But before you go, let me know if there are any other tools that you would like to see me review next. Until next time, happy building.